We're in the South Waikato, just outside Tokoroa, and we milk 3 dairy farms and 1 support block with a small Hereford stud on it, and we milk 1,100 cows. So we've had a bale feeder for a couple of years now, and we were so impressed with it, we brought the TX205. So before we brought this one, we had a look around. We couldn't go past the quality of the Hustler gear, so we brought this one from Giltrap's AgriZone in Cambridge. We needed something to feed the 1,500 square bales we feed a year, so the Hustler 205 with the bale extension absolutely nails that. So this one behind me I like because it's a lot wider, so you can fit the square bales on more easily, and by having the optional extension means that you're holding all your bale while you're going around. Also, the ability to carry the bale on the back means we can carry 4 or 5 bales down to the paddock in one trip, making it quite economical. And also the string box means you don't have string all in your tractor cab, which is, keeps it tidy. So one thing I particularly like about this is the build quality. It's well made, it's heavy duty, maintenance is easy, all the grease nipples are marked. Connecting it to the tractor is easy, probably takes 30 seconds, couple of hoses and away you go. All operatable from in the cab, and also you only need 2 hydraulic spools. It can run on any of the tractors. So another good feature of the Hustler TX205 is be able to carry a large amount of feed to the paddock in one run. Cheap to run, cheap maintenance, no problems, can't go wrong.